holiday sets. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca. Today I'm going to give you a review on the new ColourPop holiday kits that are available at Target and on the ColourPop website. And they are very cute. So ColourPop gifted these to me in PR, and I thought I would just share with you so you can see for yourself if this is something you want to, you know, have fun, just put in your cart while you're getting your, you know, your eggnog and your Christmas lights, or do you want to do these for stocking stuffers because they look so cute. The packaging, look at that. These are great for Secret Santa, stocking stuffer, little, you know, niece. I've got a niece that would absolutely love this. She's in high school. She's gonna love these. So there's 3 shadows and they come with a liner. There is Sweater Weather, which looks very neutral, kind of your taupes, your browns. There is Naughty List. These are, I mean, you guys, does this look like a Natasha Denona dupe? And then we've got Jolly Vibes, which I actually really love the shade of this pencil, but these are your kind of mauves, kind of your mushroomy mauves. Not that mushrooms are purple, but you know what I mean. There's also little duos of the the Super Shock Shadow Duos. There's Unwrap Me, and they come with Flower Child and DGAF. I swear I've had DGAF before. And then this one is Shine Bright, and it comes with Ice Dream and The Griffith. So very super pretty, cool, silvery toned. Love it. There's lip kits, so you get lip liners. This is a lip pencil trio. This is Kiss Me, and then Naughty and Nice. And these, you know, they've got your kind of more wine red. This is Nudes Peach. We've got Hugs and Kisses is this one, and it's a Lippy Sticks trio. And then you've got Santa Baby, which is this Lippy Sticks trio. And they come with Brink, Gold Digger, and Bichet. And they're matte. These are matte. And then the Hugs and Kisses comes with Oh Snap, Toasty, and Hike House. And they are Blur, Cream, and Matte. So there you go. So today I'm going to put on Sweater Weather. I'm going to swatch Unwrap Me. We're gonna use Kiss Me, and oh, and there's also a lip scrub and mask. I wanna look at Sweater Weather. So I have not tried this particular 5-pan. I think it's really cute. It reminds me of when you get your Natasha Denona minis. They're like $25. I think these retail for 10. So this one reminds me of like one of the nude ones, and that's what I was saying with that other one. Is it's not the Xenon. It's there was a 5 palette. I'll put it on the screen. Oh, I love. Oh, here I said I was trying. So Marshmallow, Sparkle Season, Hot Cocoa, and By the Fireplace. Okay, so I just did the first 4. I'm gonna do them on the back of my hand. Oh, okay, so first impression, Sparkle Season doesn't give off a ton right away. Might have to build it. Yeah, okay, that's very sparkly. Okay, good to know. So this one I probably will skip. These look lovely. And then let's see what this cozy, oh, yes. Yes. So very much a matte cocoa brown shade. Beautiful. Okay, love them all. Little scared about Sparkle Season. That's okay. First, I'm gonna just do the hot cocoa. I think it's so ColourPop, it's so funny because You know, we love having affordable things, but then sometimes people are like, oh, ColourPop, it's okay. And I'm just like, well, look, what's it gonna be? You know, I understand they come out with a lot of products, launches, a lot of the time. And those big palettes, it gets overwhelming. But I have become such a user of things that are like 4-pan, 5-pan, 6-pan. I am just, yeah, give me smaller palettes lately. That's my vibe. I almost said my jive and vibe together. So that's my jibe. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, love it. Smidgen of this marshmallow. I want to see. It looks pretty. Yeah. It doesn't have like a. You know how sometimes when you see a kind of frosty pale white shadow, and you put it on, and it's a duochrome, and it like looks more pink or even green, and you're like, whoa. Wish I hadn't put that up on my brow bone. So that's perfect. That is perfect. And then we can put that on in the inner corner. Ah, so good, right? I've got a smaller brush, and I'm gonna go in with Bare, that matte chocolate shade, tapping off the extra, and I'm kind of doing a halo. Haven't done that one in a while. Kind of fun. Okay, so then we are gonna take, not Sparkle Season, I'm gonna take the Fireside one. Fireside or Fireplace? By the Fireplace. And I've got this on my finger. Nice. Okay, so these are great. That, oh gosh, you know what? I am a sucker for a shimmer shadow that has just enough shine and it's super soft when you, yeah, I like that. Now, I am a firm believer in helping my hooded. I do like to have a little bit of product up here for just a little bit of depth. So I'm gonna kind of keep doing that. That's a really good transition shade. This shade is a really good transition shade. Okay, that's nice. How does the pencil go? Brouhaha, which that tells me it's a very coffee. Oh yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna kind of typically I have good luck with letting this product set on my waterline and not transferring to my tight line. Yes, I have to keep my eyes open. I'm gonna finish this eye and then we'll do lips. Actually, We'll do Super Shock Shadow first. So this is the DGAF. Ooh, yeah, she's pretty. I forgot how pretty that is. That is a one and done shade. I won't put that on today because that, I can just put that all over my lid. I can feel it in my bones. This one, Flower Child. Oh, she's so pretty and silky. Yes. I think, you know what? Ooh, that's sparkly. Okay. Okay. You know what? It's the holidays. We can deal. That's really pretty. Oh, yeah, that's really pretty. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll be right back. We got some drama on my eyes, right? Kind of works with my shirt. Not intentional. Okay, so here is the Kiss Me Lippy Pencil Trio, and I am going to swatch them. I've got, this one is called BFF2. BFF2. Another round. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. Oh, this is cute. It's very pink. The next one must be called Beeper. As in, you can send that to my beeper and I'll call you back. Cute. It's very, which one am I gonna, I'm not decided yet. Let's look at Hugs and Kisses. Hugs and Kisses. We have Oh Snap. Okay, so here is Hike House, and it's called a Blur. And this one is Oh Snap, and it's matte. I think the matte ones, no, I mean, oh, that's kind of perfect. Oof, oof. And the next one must be Toasty, which is a cream. That looks very, why does that look so pink? That's a very mauve shade. I think I like this one. I think I want to do Toasty. I mean, sorry. I think I want to do Oh Snap. And I think I'm going to do the Another Round. They're really nice and creamy. They don't skip, they don't heal hard. You do have to sharpen them though. They are not, they look like they might be automatic, they are not. What I kind of wish is that one of these was a little more, I don't know, sheer? Maybe that's the Blur. Maybe I'm gonna do the Blur. I'm gonna do the Hike House. I'm gonna try the Blur first. Oh yeah, it's like a hybrid. It smells very waxy, very much like crayons. Hey folks, if you don't want scent in your product, that's what you get. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. I'm not sure if I'm keen on the color. It's a little much with the eyeshadow I made. So let's see what Toasty does. Now let's see what Snap. Is that light? Have you guys heard about the concealer trend that's going around? Who started it? Hailey Bieber, of course. Oh, I'm gonna put concealer on top of my lip gloss in the center and then look, it's ombre. Really? Because we weren't doing that 10 years ago? These kids. Yeah, I'm sorry, Hailey. When you were in kindergarten, we were doing that. Okay, I'm actually gonna go in with this other pencil. I think it's the one, which one is this one? Oh yeah, the BFF. Oh yeah, that's better. I just didn't have the right combo. Okay. It's still more than a bargain for. I'm gonna put a little Milani blush on. I think I need that. Not quite my, it's a lot for me, but you know, we'll take it. All right, I think I have completed my review of these new little sets from ColourPop, and I think they're tons of fun. It's affordable, there's quite a selection, and I think I like it. I really do. I think I really like these eyeshadows. Okay, I'll list everything below. Again, not sponsored, but thank you ColourPop for sending me these. And let me know what you think. Also, I did pick up at Target the ColourPop. I bought this. So they have Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and I think it's at Ulta. I think it's on ColourPop's website. I think it's at Target, on Target's website, etc. And this little lip set is the Clarice lipstick duo. I think you're cute, it's called. And the Clarice lippy pencil and lipstick look like this. And I actually think it's perfect. I think I like it better than the ones I just tried on for you. So here it is. I like that one a lot. So just to let you know. And that's it. Thank you so much. Please leave me a comment, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think. Take care. I will see you next time.